Trap Watchers, what's going on? Today's August the 28th, 2021. We're going to talk about Pfizer. I know a lot of people on YouTube has been talking about Pfizer. They may be giving you some conflicting ideas as to where the price is going to go, but don't worry about it. We got you. We're the community that is going to give you information that is not confusing. So if today's your first time ever seeing our video and you all appreciate it, make sure you hit us up. Join our community. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel because it is our purpose to make sure that you and I are both able to eat off these plays. It's just that simple. So now the question is, you guys can see from the thumbnail and from the title of this video, can Pfizer double your money in the next 5 years? Now, if you guys are new, you understand that we don't readily play long-term plays, right? Yes, you can have other plays out there to where you're not willing to take any profit off the table until the next 5, 15, 25, 50 years, 75 years, 100 years, who cares, right? You could do those too. We're not outside of that realm because we do understand that there are plays that you need to hold on for the long term. But 5 years? Like, where do you think the price in Pfizer is going to be in 5 years? Can it double your money? So if we wanted to buy one share of stock right here at $46, right? In order for us to double our money, the price would have to increase another $46. Cool. So that's about what, $90, $92? $92. So let me bring this down, right? Let's see how far away the price is in Pfizer, around $92. Let's see how much this stock would have to increase in price if you were to buy one share at 46, okay? And for it to increase to 92. The market would have to increase 100%. Simple, right? In order for us to double our money. All right, got it. 100%. Now, we need to talk about some things first, right? Understandably, people want to draw on your emotions. People want to get you excited, get you all hyped, tell you that the market's going to shoot up in price and that we'll all be rich. Got it. But we got to be real. Like, we got to understand that price do come down. And for the people to give you information without letting you know that price also comes down is a disservice to you. You need to have somebody in the market that's able to play both sides to tell you, hey, this price looks weak. You know, the price look like it's going to drop momentarily and then we can see the price go up, right? Why would people tell you to always come in and buy the market? They tell you to come in and buy the dip, always buy the dip. The price would never go down and you end up buying the dip all the way down to zero. Yes, these people are out there. You need to be careful with them, right? We got you though. If the price is going to go down, we have to tell you that, right? We want to make sure that everyone is prepared for the volatility that occurs in the market. So check this out. Where do you think the price is going to go in Pfizer, right? There is a lot of history of where price has gone in Pfizer. Okay, you see this all the way back since 1969. Okay, 1969. Pfizer has been trading on the exchange. All right, we saw a very huge move in the early 2000s to where price came up to $46, $47, and the price completely collapsed back down to 10. Okay, we're now trading back at that same arena. We're now back at the same price we were in Pfizer back in 1998, 2000 timeframe. Here we are once again. Welcome back, right? So check this out. Imagine, okay, just imagine YouTube was around back in 1998, right? 2000. And there was a plethora of YouTube stock channels out there telling you that Pfizer is a buy right here in 1998, 1999 at $46. Just imagine they were telling you that. Just imagine they continue through 1998 all the way until 2009 telling you to buy the dip. Just imagine that. They always came through and told you to buy the dip. So here it is, right? You were ultimately down on the low right there, March 2nd, 2009, 76%. So you saw your profit decrease or your money decrease in value 76.5%. It has taken this long to 2021 for the price in Pfizer just to come back and break even, right? So let's see how long that was. So you got 2021 from 1998. That's 23 years. 23 years your money has been in this play. And now you are finally getting an opportunity to break even, just to break even. That is ridiculous. You need to have someone that is in your camp that is willing to play both sides of the market. Because imagine you bought here, if you sold up here around $46 and you rolled all the way down to 10. That's great profits right there to play the movement down. All right, that was just an example. So now let me show you all what the trend in Pfizer currently is going through. All right, so this is it. All right, this is the trend. We're in a very good sustained upward trend. Price since this time period, March 2009, has been going higher. This was the prime area to come in and buy the stock. Plain and simple, right? Every time the market in Pfizer came down to this ascending line has been prime opportunity to buy the stock on the low and ride it up to higher prices, right? Well, we're around $46, $47 now. Is that prime area to come in and buy the stock? You let me know. Because right now, visually, no, it's not. Because we are trading so far away from this overall ascending line. We need to buy on this ascending line. And whenever price breaks that ascending line, you know you need to sell. Because this trend is so far entrenched and ingrained in price that if we were to break it to the downside, it's broken. It's just that simple. All right. So now, let me show you all the price in Pfizer over the last 3 days. So we're on a very strong uptrend, and it looks as if the market trend is about to be broken. Right? Do you see that? Okay. Pfizer, starting on July the 19th, 2021, has just been going higher and higher in price. Cool. This is the weekly time frame. Do you still see how the trend is breaking? Okay. Every week since July the 19th, price has gone higher. This is the first week that we are seeing price break the trend. Hey, I'm just here to give you the information. Okay. You might not see it for what it is. You still may want to come in and buy the market in Pfizer. Hey, that's your choice. But I'm here to show you that the price has broken this trend. Plain and simple. Now, since the price has broken the trend in Pfizer, and take note of how the price is closing on the low, right there on the low of the bar. So it shows us that this market still wants to go lower in price. It still does. Okay. Now, thank you to the trap, because we got a lot of information here in Pfizer. Okay. And preferably, I am seeing the market in Pfizer trying to come and find some support first around 44. A stronger area of support is going to be around 42. Okay, right there. Let me show you all the 2 weeks time frame a little bit closer. Okay, because the market here in Pfizer is weak. So can it double your money in the next 5 years? Yeah, it can. But in the near term, we are forecasting that price is going to come down first. You had to be ready for that. Are you ready? Or are you still going to buy the market where it is here? You let me know. So this market is weak in Pfizer. We are going to play the weakness here. Now we got 2 areas of support that we are going to expect the trap to try to come in and prop up the price. First area is right here around 44. Second area is around 42. And then ultimately around $38. Okay, that will bring us closer to this ascending line. And you guys can remember, the market price is cheap, closer to where this price comes to this ascending line. All right. So let me run the play. I'm going to switch this back over to the daily, and we're going to expect the price to come down. Okay. Now I said that 44 would be first. That would give us around 5.6% profitability, all the way down here to 42, which is like a 10% movement to the downside. All right. We can see price come down 10% in Pfizer. Now, I'm going to hold the ultimate area of restriction around the all-time high price. This is like $51.25. Let's just do it there. And this is it. All right, this is the play. This is what we're looking forward to into the market in Pfizer in the short term. In 5 years, yes, it can double your money, right? Based off the information, based off the news that is coming out about, the ghost, we need to make sure that we take hint as to what impact that will have on the price. All right, so this is it. This is what I'm expecting. We got 2 areas of taking profit, 44 and 42. Now, I want to know. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me where do you all think the price in Pfizer is going to be in the next, let me bring this in closer. We don't want to run this too long. Let's do, all right, let me do next 3 weeks. Okay. What do you think the price is going to be? Drop me a comment. All right, I'm done. I'm finished. It wasn't hard. It wasn't complicated to see. Everything that I talked about, it wasn't hard to understand. You didn't have to go out and get no technical analysis degree, analytical ability to read lines and shapes and colors. No, you didn't. This is how simple it's supposed to be. So hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.